welcome back to my channel. My name is Erica. Today we are going to be unboxing one of my favorite subscription boxes. This is the PreCuts Classic Quilt Box, and it came in this adorable pink kind of tulle bag. If you're unfamiliar with PreCuts quilt boxes, they are monthly sewing and quilting subscription boxes. They come with fabric, patterns, all kinds of fun goodies inside. I will make sure to put a link in the description box below this video where you can get one. Let's go ahead and see what's inside this month's box or bag. All right, so inside there's always this little pamphlet. It tells you everything that you need to know about what's inside your box, the retail value of all the items and all that. There's also information on the back of the card with that month's featured fabric designer, and this one's April Rosenthal. I love her fabric. There's a little bio with some information for her in there. They also have their winners. They give away a free box to one winner every month. So if you share your boxes on social media using the hashtag PreCutsQuiltShop or PreCutsQuiltBox, you are entered automatically to win a drawing to win a giveaway of a free box for the following month. So that is super cool. So they have that winner in there. And there's also some coupons in here as well, at 25% off your entire order, 35% off quilt patterns, and free shipping orders 35 or over. So super fun. Let's just dive right in. So the first thing in my bag here is this Moda mask panel, and I've actually already made some fun masks with it. Moda sent them to me directly, and I love these. They're super cute. They're a great size. I will say they have adults and kid sizes on here. The kid sizes are quite small. I made one for Katie, she just turned 12, and it was definitely too tight on her. So I would say the kids masks are more like maybe 6 and under for little kids, because they were pretty tiny. Of course, you could always cut a little bit bigger, but the adult size were actually really perfect. I think they're the same size that I used in my tutorial as well for the adults. So Stacy Itsu designed this panel. She's a fabric designer. She makes really cute, fun fabric. And so these were, of course, very cute. These panels retail for about $12. So there should also be a thread in here, a Metler silk finish cotton thread. Retails for $3.65. I have never had this happen before, but I actually do not have this in my bag, so I'm not sure what happened there with that, but I didn't get it in mine, so hopefully you got that in yours. So anyways, I don't know. Hopefully you guys have a thread in yours. Normally, I think every box I've ever gotten from them has a thread, so hopefully it was just an oversight from my box. The next thing in my bag is the Stairway quilt pattern by Prairie Grass, and it says it finishes at 51 by 64 inches, and it retails for $9. Let's look at the inside of it really quick. Ooh, nice colorful pictures. I love it. Okay, so just flipping through here, it definitely looks very beginner friendly. It does look like these blocks are set on point, which means that you sew them kind of square like this, and then when you put them together, you turn them on a diagonal. So that's why you have these kind of triangle edges, but that's not hard to do. It's very easy. And then this pattern inside has nice colorful illustrations, and it's just really nice heavy cardstock. So definitely a nice quality pattern in my opinion. It's super duper cute. I absolutely love the design, and like I said, very beginner friendly and fun. And then it does take one layer cake plus some background fabric, backing and binding, and so very cute. So while we're talking about fabric, let's go ahead and just show the layer cake. So this layer cake is Homestead by April Rosenthal. And then the colors are super fun and bright and cheery. And if you're new to layer cakes, this one retails, it says, for $41, and they have 42 10 by 10 inch squares in them. And here's kind of the end color wheel. I like to look at this because it kind of gives you an overall vibe of what the colors are going to be. So if you use this layer cake, you'll actually get one looking similar to this. Of course, you can do whatever you want with the color placement, but I think it's super cute. Like I mentioned, every time I open one of their boxes, I'm always amazed at how much fabric they put in here. They don't skip on the fabric. You don't get like little minis or samples. You always get full size fabric bundles in here. And so to me, that makes it worth it because I love fabric, and their boxes are always full of it. I think they also still have the table runner box. I'm not sure if they still have the fabric stash box. They used to have one of those that was just straight up fabric, and that one was awesome. It was like 16 fat quarters, I think, of a fabric line. It was so fun. But you can check on their website and see if they still offer that. All right, let's look at the last item in our box. So I'm going to take it out for you, but it is this tin mug by Lori Holt, and it says it retails for $12, and it's a vintage Happy To enamel tin mug by Lori Holt of Bee in My Bonnet. It holds 20 ounces of whatever beverage you would like to snuggle up with, and it features the sewing machine from her vintage housewife sew along. So here it is. Like I said, it's that metal mug, so it has a nice little metal rim on it, and then the sewing machine on the back. Absolutely adorable. So very cute. And honestly, I think this would be really cute to drink out of, but I think I might actually just put it in my sewing room and keep some of my supplies in there because it's so cute. I sort of don't want to drink out of it. I don't know. I don't know. It's super cute. I love it. And then they always put their shipping on their boxes. So the value for shipping for this month's box was $9.15. And I think that I'm really enjoying that they put it in the bag instead of the box because I really like the idea of having like a reusable bag. I don't feel, we do recycle the boxes here, but I don't know, I just kind of like having it in a bag instead. So I vote for more bags if you guys are watching. I actually really like that touch, and it probably makes it a little bit easier to ship too. So my favorite things from this month's box are the pattern, the fabric, and this super cute little tin. Let me know in the comments below what your favorite product was from this month's unboxing. If you enjoyed it, please make sure to thumbs up and subscribe so I know to keep making these fun videos for you. Thank you so much for joining me today, and I will see you next time.